Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of the first ever Mrs. Femina online hunt, presented by Bosch Home Appliances. Today, at this ultra-modern Unsa house, I'm about to show you my simplified version of another seemingly complex recipe. So let's get started. Today we are going to be making a deconstructed mixed berry tart. Let's begin by making the orange reduction. Ordinary juicers have a tendency to produce a sour juice as they process the seeds and the pulp all together. With Bosch's Vita Extract Cold Press Juicer, my juicing problems are tales of past. The unique MixControl Technology lets me choose the consistency of my juice. Now I decide the amount of pulp I need in my juice and smoothies. And since it's really low on noise, I can choose any time to quench my juice and smoothie cravings. Now quickly, let's make the reduction. To make an orange reduction, all you have to do is cook the orange juice with a little bit of sugar in a pan. You have to cook it until the juice is slightly thick. Now, I'm making this in a very small quantity, but when I make it for friends and family, obviously this pan falls short. That is where my venting hob comes to my rescue. Its combi zone feature lets you combine two zones into one, so you can easily cook with bigger pots too. Also, if a chimney isn't a right fit for a compact kitchen, you'll love this induction hob with an integrated ventilation system. This instantly sucks away all the smoke and the odor. So this looks like it's done. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. So while this cools down, let's make the tart biscuit base. Combine all the ingredients in the food processor. It's that easy. So let's start. First, let's start by adding the butter. Next, I'm going to add in some powdered sugar. Next, we need some all-purpose flour, some vanilla essence. The last ingredient that goes in is a little bit of milk. And we will start it. I'm going to roll this between two parchment papers. Roll this out. Now let's cut it into circles. So here I have a cookie cutter. I'm cutting this out into circles. Bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. If there's one thing I dislike about baking is that you constantly have to man the oven, hoping that nothing burns. But the perfect bake feature in this oven automatically picks the heat mode and the cooking time based on the dish. It really makes perfect baking a reality. The tart still has 10 minutes. I know just what I need. A warm little treat. Alexa, make me a cup of coffee.
Okay.
It's the simple pleasures that count. So the tart biscuits have finally been baked. Now let's make the berry compote. Add the berries into the pan. Let's add some sugar to this. If you want, you can flavor this with a little bit of orange zest. We will be cooking this only for 2 more minutes. I'm such a cleanliness freak. I have to clean as I cook. And the pyrolysis feature on the Bosch built-in oven is so handy. With one touch, it turns all the grease inside to dust and self-cleans. So the berry compote is ready. Let's make the cream cheese filling. In a separate bowl, start whisking the cream cheese along with some icing sugar, some vanilla essence. To flavor the cream cheese, we will add some orange zest. I will also add a little bit of lime zest. Start whisking this. You have to make this into a smooth mixture. I have some whipping cream here. We're going to fold the whipping cream into the cream cheese mixture. Make sure you're folding it very gently. So now, let's start assembling our deconstructed berry tart. So here, I have a piping bag. The biscuit tarts are here. And now, it's time to plate it up. To ensure that your biscuit tart is nice and moist goes the orange reduction. Now, a little more of the cream cheese filling. Next, I have some sliced strawberries here. We will start by placing it on the edge. Did I turn off the oven? Alexa, turn off the oven.
Okay.
The Home Connect feature is perfect if you're a little forgetful like me. Wasn't that easy? Make sure to recreate this deconstructed Mixed Berry Tart and I promise you, you won't regret it. Also, don't forget to share your recreations using the hashtag #PerfectCookingWithBosch or Mrs. Femina.